Today in this video we will learn military vehicle's name in English. Armored car. Armored car. The armored car is strong. Fighter jet. Fighter jet. The fighter jet flies fast. Tank. Tank. The tank is very powerful. Military jeep. Military jeep. The military jeep is on the road. Aircraft carrier. Aircraft carrier. The aircraft carrier is at sea. Submarine. Submarine. The submarine is underwater. Attack helicopter. Attack helicopter. The attack helicopter is flying. Command vehicle. Command vehicle. The command vehicle leads the team. Military ambulance. Military ambulance. The military ambulance helps soldiers. Humvee. Humvee. The Humvee drives off-road. Rocket launcher truck. Rocket launcher truck. The rocket launcher truck is ready. Missile launcher. Missile launcher. The missile launcher is powerful. Fuel tanker truck. Fuel tanker truck. The fuel tanker truck carries fuel. Military cargo truck. Military cargo truck. The military cargo truck carries supplies. Bomber aircraft. Bomber aircraft. The bomber aircraft flies high. Transport helicopter. Transport helicopter. The transport helicopter carries troops. Military drone. Military drone. The military drone flies quietly. Military patrol boat. Military patrol boat. The military patrol boat protects the coast. Armored recovery vehicle. Armored recovery vehicle. The armored recovery vehicle tows tanks. Destroyer. Destroyer. The destroyer sails at sea. Military bridge layer. Military bridge layer. The military bridge layer builds bridges.